Elderberry Nutrients. Vitamin C. Elderberry is a rich source of vitamin C, which is essential for maintaining a healthy immune system, collagen production, and iron absorption. Flavonoids. Elderberry is rich in flavonoids such as quercetin and anthocyanins, which have antioxidant properties and may help reduce inflammation. Fiber. Elderberry contains a moderate amount of dietary fiber, which can help promote healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Vitamin A. Elderberry provides a good source of vitamin A, which is important for maintaining healthy vision, skin and immune system. Vitamin B6. Elderberries also contains vitamin B6, which is important for maintaining healthy metabolism, immune system, and brain function. Iron. Elderberry is a good source of iron, which is essential for healthy red blood cells and oxygen transport in the body. Calcium. Elderberry contains a good amount of calcium, which is important for maintaining healthy bones and teeth. Potassium. Elderberry also has high levels of potassium, which is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, cardiovascular health and hydration. Vitamin E. Elderberry has vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that plays a role in protecting cells from oxidative stress and supporting a healthy immune system. Zinc. Elderberry contains zinc, a mineral that helps support a healthy immune system, wound healing and taste sensation.